Well, first off, I'm off this week from the COJ. Some of you might know what that means. Hello, boys. Got the shop dogs out here saying hello this morning. What's going on, boys? A little bit of a random video today. Gonna knock out a few projects, a few honey-do list items, show you what's going on in the shop, where we're at on the convertible, and we'll check in on the 59, see what's going on there, and then we'll just see what happens, see where this video goes. Well, first things first, let's go out here and open up the shop. The boys will get excited because it's pretty hot here in the Carolinas, and get the AC turned on. And as you can see, well, I might as well not apologize for the mess, because man, it's a mess. You know what happens when you get 2 or 3 projects going at the same time. Well, that's what I got going on. So we got the 59 here, pretty much getting ready for the engine to go back in it. And we got, sorry for the background noise, we got almost all of the engine seal installed. Everybody knows how much fun those are to put back in. So we're gonna finish that up. Got some new toys here. I'll probably do a video on these in the near future, but if you haven't seen these before, Electric is the company, and they're electric bicycles. So again, being one of those guys that could use some exercise, I picked these up, and we're adding accessories and different things on these as we go along. So we'll probably shoot a video of riding these. And as you see, Cash is getting settled in over there. He knows I'm headed for the AC button over here, so let me get that turned on. There you go, Cash. A little bit of cool air. He loves it. He loves it when it's cool. So yeah, lots of projects. Like I said, I'm tripping over stuff out here in the garage. Just too much going on. That's what happens when you get more than one project going. Got fence to put up for the dogs, because I got this new puppy. But there's the convertible. As you can see, we've made a lot of progress on the top install. And I mentioned in the last video, sometimes you just don't feel like filming, you just feel like working, and that's kind of where I've been on this project. So I think there's enough top videos about how to install, so I didn't do another one. But we'll definitely show you the finished product and show you some of the things that that we're doing as we go along. And then I got a few honey-do list items I need to take care of today. We'll probably film those just for something different. But yeah, here's where we're at on the top. We're doing the stretch right now. If you've ever put these on, they're so tight that you need to put them out in the sun and let them stretch. So I'm gonna kind of do a little test here, and as soon as I can get cars out the way, it's probably going to be in the 90s today, and we're going to go ahead and move this outside, let it sit in the sun today, and see how much it stretches. So one thing I want to do before we do that, let's get the old trusty tape measure out here, and let's just let's kind of get an initial measurement, about 7 inches is how far it needs to stretch down to be able to close. So we'll come back and look at this a little bit later after it's been in the sun and see how much movement we can get out of this. But yeah, it's coming along, and we'll film some more stuff throughout the day today. Maybe get a video out by tomorrow. And like I mentioned, the garage is trashed right now. When you start installing tops and cutting and stapling and parts and pieces and everything I got going on right now, it's a mess. So this is kind of cool. One of the projects I'm going to be working on in the future is I'm going to redo my garage walls, and I'm actually going to take the metal. It's not working out the way I wanted it to up on the ceiling, so I've got a different plan for that. But I'm going to take that back down, and I'm basically going to build wainscoting, I guess is what you'd call it, at the bottom with the metal, and put some channels in. And then I'm going to have the wood going up about 3/4 of the wall, or maybe 1/3 of the wall is going to be the metal, and the other 2/3 will be wood. But I'm still collecting tags, and picked this one up the other day. Again, the year of my birth, 1961. So got quite a few tags to install once I get the walls finished the way I want them, so that'll be kind of neat. Another item I picked up recently for the convertible, the cup holder. I kept hitting my knees on that crazy aftermarket cup holder, so I broke down and picked up a really nice ashtray. Probably paid too much for it, but this thing is like mint. I need to take the tag out of it, but it's beautiful inside. It's like it's never been used. So yeah, we put that in there. So it's factory, looks good, and I'm not kicking it with my knee every time I get in here, because I'm not the smallest person. So we'll let this bake out in the sun for a few hours. We'll come back and do some more measurements on the front. We'll keep tugging it and pulling on it and see if we can get the top to lay down. And I'm not really sure if spraying water on here does any good with vinyl, but I know with the canvas it helps it stretch. So let's just see what happens. Can't hurt, right? Of course, it's so blistering hot out here that I can't lean on it without a cloth in there. But you can see already it's touching the top of the window, so we'll have to take another measurement here in a minute. We'll keep spraying it and leaning on it and try to get these pins lightened back up. Well, I guess we're gonna finish up the video for today right here, and see if I can get a good shot here. Got the top on, got the back glass in. Still got a few seals on the side there to finish up, but yeah, it came out pretty good. Got the the rear trim panels to put in and some stuff like that, but for the most part we're done, and I think it came out pretty good. So give me your comments, let me know what you think. Yeah, I still got these little side flaps and the seals down the windows here I need to put on. But as you can see, it's stretched all the way down. And I even picked up a brand new top boot. I kind of got it just all thrown out here, but really nice top boot I'm gonna put on there. So that'll look good to finish things off. So anyway, thanks for stopping by. Hope you enjoyed today's video. I know we had some random different things in there today, but hopefully more to come. Still trying to grow the channel. You know, my goal is to get to 1,000 subscribers. So if you hadn't hit that like button or that subscribe button, go ahead and do that for me. It'd really help out a lot. And take care. Enjoy your cars, and we'll see you next time.